Efficient, high-quality cattle help mitigate risk in volatile markets. Oklahoma feeder Tom Fanning says hedging and forward contracts are useful tools, but results still come down to having the right cattle.
We have tools that we can help provide customers to address market risk, to address grain risk, purchasing corn or using futures tools to help do that. But one of the ways to address risk is to have and operate high-quality cattle that you can predict the performance on.
The Angus breed has led the way.
Over the years, as you see the Angus genetics improve and the cattle get better, the cattle are now performing at a level that people just 20 years ago could not imagine that was possible. And I think the seed stock producers are doing a great job at challenging themselves to improve on every set of bulls they produce.
Kansas feeder and cow-calf producer Sam Hands says certified Angus beef has moved the industry away from a pounds-only mentality.
That it's got the industry focused towards quality. Granted, here in the feedlot sector, our challenge is always converting feed to pounds and being that very efficient. That is very important. But at the same time, pounds is what pays the bills. And so as we wrestle with those type of issues, as from a producer standpoint, again, the database that comes from the Angus Association helps us through our selection of breeding stock to accomplish those objectives very much. And that just an example of, say, the dollar beef values, it's in the EPDs and data information on all the breeding stock can help us accomplish that post-weaning performance and end results that we want for the consumer.
Hands says it's important to use those tools because keeping all customers happy is the goal.
If the cattle are sold at weaning time, they still need to be cattle that's going to work for the next owner, as well as for the packer, as well as for the wholesaler, retailer, and satisfy that consumer. Because that animal, once it's born, has only one of two endpoints: the dead pile or the dinner plate. And we hope it's at the dinner plate, and we hope it's with an eating experience that has that consumer saying, I want to do it again.
Cindy Campbell reporting.